भाई जोर से तालियां होनी चाहिए क्योंकि एक सुपर ब्रांड है एंड दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल कैलेंडर. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Menforce Condom. This is album.
Thank you so much. First, I just want to say thank you, everybody, for supporting Manforce and Mankind. आप सब यहाँ आए and हमको support किया, so thank you.
So what do you think about Menforce products? क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में?
जब मैं पहली आई थी 5 साल पहले, Manforce came to me and they said, you know, we'd like you to be a part of this brand. And मेरे लिए बहुत आसान था क्योंकि I believe in safe sex. I believe in not getting diseases or not having unwanted pregnancies. So वो मेरे belief system में है. So promoting a brand that promotes such things is a good thing, I think. So that's why I first said yes. And over the last 5 साल के बाद हम calendar launch कर रहे. हमारी अच्छी दोस्ती भी हुई. सबके साथ Manforce and Mankind and Rajesh sir and Narendra ji. You guys are the best because they've placed me in this platform and placed me here, so I'm very thankful for that. Safe sex or condoms, they actually should just be married. It's something that goes hand in hand, especially for हमारे younger generation जो है, शायद उसको इतना टीचिंग नहीं मिलता है या स्कूल से या दोस्त से कोई उसको बताता नहीं क्या होता है अगर आप सेफ सेक्स नहीं करते हो. And because of that, we see unwanted pregnancies or we see parents unhappy क्योंकि उसके decisions जो थे अच्छे नहीं थे. So they weren't about, it's not about not wanting a child, it's about having a child at the right moment in time. So that's what I think about condoms. ये experience बहुत अच्छा था. I've never shot a bikini or bathing suit calendar. So ये मेरे लिए भी first time है. And I have the best story क्योंकि हम पूरा shoot plan out किया था. इतने अच्छे swimsuits and bikinis, locations हम Thailand में shoot किया था. और first day इतना अच्छा shoot हुआ. इतने अच्छे locations, इतने अच्छा hair, makeup ये सब पूरे tiny details हमने ध्यान दिया था. And second day Dabu sir आए और बहुत stress लग रहे थे. And हमने देखा, मैंने उसको पूछा कि क्या हुआ. I think 1 घंटे के बाद उसने बोला कि मेरा फाइल जो था वो corrupt हो गया और हमने कल जो shoot किया वो गया. हमारे पास नहीं है. So I started thinking, what should we do or how should we handle this situation? And मैंने Dabu को बताया था कि listen, once you have the shot, we move forward. We have 12 different months to shoot today, and we have to do it in 1 day, क्योंकि सिर्फ 2 दिन का shoot था. And we did it. We shot 12 looks in 1 full day, और एक महीने के बाद that file was recovered. So Manforce, I think, has a lifetime of photos to choose from. So it was a very nice shoot, and I got to know Dabu very well and his wife, and we had a wonderful time in Thailand. I love it there. हमारा relation बहुत strong है. सिर्फ काम का नहीं होता है, but friendship का भी होता है. And throughout the years, we've all spent such amazing times and dinners and ये सब. अगर काम है या नहीं है, हम फिर भी मिलते हैं. And I'm very happy to be a part of a brand that keeps growing and keeps being successful year after year.
सनी, एक तरफ आपके परफ्यूम एंड डीओ भी हैं, दूसरी तरफ कैलेंडर एंड प्रोडक्ट आते हैं. आने वाली फिल्मों के बारे में अगर आप जिक्र करें कि कौन कौन सी फिल्में लाइनअप हैं इन अपकमिंग डेज.
Sure, actually मैं एक नया मूवी शुरू कर रही हूँ. वो अगस्त में है. उसका नाम है तेरा इंतज़ार and it's with Arbaz Khan. Sorry, just went blank for a second. And मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I have a kitty full of movies and for that I'm very very thankful क्योंकि अगर मैं साल में जितना काम कर रही हूँ and I can continue that work, it would be amazing. So I'm very happy with that. I think it comes down to everybody's comfort levels and it comes down to what their own personal goals are. For me, when Manforce came to me, Mankind and Parchar with this idea, it made sense to me and it made sense to me at that moment and it has for the last 5 years. Like I mentioned before, it's all about being safe.
Yeah, my question is to you is that we all know that India is suffering from a population explosion problem. I want to ask you that how condoms are important to develop our country?
I don't think India ka koi problem hai. It's one of the largest emerging countries in the entire world. And it's one place where I do believe dreams at this very moment. अगर आपका कुछ passion है, आपको कुछ life में करना है, आप India में कर सकते हो, and you can be successful. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory how condoms can help anybody's life.
Yeah, there are many people from rural side and they follow you but don't know your language. So how would you approach to them?
मेरा सिर्फ ये है that they should buy the protection. जैसे भी buy करते हो, जैसे भी आप खरीदते हो, then that's up to you. If it's a private thing for you, great. If it's not and you're willing, you don't mind who's standing right next to you or कोई आपको ऐसा देख रहा है कि oh wow, you're buying a condom. It's your choice, but I think the key element here is that people need to buy them. You know, whether they put it in a black bag or not, that's, you know, their own personal preference.